Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to surrender in Valorant. Basically, if you are League of Legends player, the system of Valorant is pretty similar to the votes of League of Legends. But, except for Valorant, they have rounds instead of minutes. So, let's go first to Valorant Launcher and open our account, and then I will show you now from here. So, play. Let's say, for example, we're playing a rated with play, spike rush, or escalation. These or even competitive. So every round, like every mode except for this deathmatch. These all option got the surrender option, but some of them are like different than the others. For example, unrated and competitive are like much longer games. So these two have like around you need to win 13 or 13 game or round in order to finish the game. But this swift play, spike rush, and escalation, you will only need to win 5 rounds. So in order to surrender in these two, rated or competitive, you will first have to pass the first 5 rounds. So after you finish the 5th round, you will be able to surrender. After you surrender, 4 people out of 5 must accept to surrender. If not, the game will not be ended. The same thing goes for competitive and unrated. So, this much you can't really surrender in it. You can just quit the game. They won't give you any like AFK or something like that. In Swift Play Spike Rush Escalation, after the second game, you will be able to surrender in the third one. So in the second game, you can just go to settings and then click on surrender. And from there, you will be able to surrender. And also the same thing, you need at least 4 people to surrender in order to actually surrender in the game and for the game to be ended. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.